Okay boys, now we will start with the third angle projection. So first things first, we need to make the border. So I am going to put the paper inside and make sure that this is straight. Okay, I just made sure that it is straight. Okay, this is straight. Now I am going to mark my 10 millimeter here, 10 millimeter here, and 10 millimeter here. Okay. Last line goes here and another 10 millimeter for the name. Okay, and I need to divide the paper into almost half, 4 parts. So somewhere here I will do a mark, somewhere here I will do the mark. This time I am going to do a third angle projection. In third angle projection, the front view comes here, top view comes here, and right view comes here. So the front view will be here, okay, top view will be here, and right side view will be here. So the same views what we have drawn here, okay, but the positions will change. Okay, so I will take the drawing again. Where is the front view now? This is the front view. Okay, so this front view I am going to draw exactly here. Okay, so if I look from the front, you can see that the height is 50 and the width is 40. Okay, as usual, as I said, we need to mark a 10 millimeter away from this line in order to make the first drawing. We will make a 10 millimeter from here, then we will mark another 10 millimeter from here, so that we will have a reference line. Okay. Okay. Now, as I told, the width is 40 because we are looking from the front. Height is 50, 50, 40. So height is 50. Since the height is 50, I have to mark 50 from here. Since the width is 40, I have to mark 40 from here. Okay. So I am going to place my set square here. I put a mark. I move it little bit down. Then I am going to keep this here. I am going to join this. Okay. As I told, always get rid of the extra lines. And delete the extra lines. So I deleted the extra lines. You can see that I am drawing everything with a thin line, not thick. Making it thick is the last job. Okay. We won't do it now. Okay. We made it here. Now when you look from the front, you will see here as a rectangle. This is 10 millimeter rectangle. So I have to mark 10 millimeter from here and put this mark here. Then I bring my set square here. I am going to put it here and put the mark. Done? Yes, my front view is done. except two circles. Now in the front view I have to show this circle as well as this circle. Okay. So it is in the middle. So as I told the previous drawing, we need to find out the middle is 20. So in the middle I am going to mark a center line. Okay, a center line I am going to mark. Big line, small line, big, small, big, small, big, small, big, small. Okay. Now from the top I am going to mark 25 millimeter. I am going to mark 25 millimeter from the top, 25 millimeter from the top. Now I take my compass. This is diameter 20 circle, yani radius 10. So I have to mark 10 millimeter in this ruler. So I just mark 10 millimeter, you can see. Now I put it here just. Oh, I made only a line here. I didn't put point here. I didn't make the line yet. I'll make a line, center line. Then on the center line I am going to make the circle. Okay. You can use circle template also if you want, if you don't have compass, if you are not good with compass. Okay. And here also I need to show the hidden lines. So in here, sorry, in here I need to show the hidden lines. I need to show the hidden lines. Okay. So my front view is over. Now I have to make the top view. Okay. Top view means I can project some of the lines from here anyway. First thing is that, as I told, we need to mark 10 millimeter away from here. Let's say 10 millimeter. Okay. So this is my 10 millimeter. So I marked a line 10 millimeter away from here. Now I am going to project so many lines from here. All these lines I needed, so I am going to project the lines from here, straight from here to here. From here I am projecting the line. This line also I am projecting, but as a center line, not as a straight line. Okay. This is part of my top view. If you look from the top, what you can see? This is top. If you look from the top, you can see a 40 by 40 and a 50. On top you will see a 10 by 40 and here 40 by 40. So total is 50. So I have to mark 50 from here, this point. Okay. So I have to mark 50 from here. This is my 50 and another 10 from top. Okay. Okay, now I am going to mark this as well as this. Yeah, good. Now I will get rid of the extra lines. This is an extra line, this projection line is extra, this is an extra line, this is an extra line, extra line, extra lines. I just get rid of all extra lines. Okay, don't worry even if you erase it, because you cannot draw it again. So all the extra lines I removed. Now if I look from the top, I will see this circle and this circle. Okay, same like this. So this circle is 25 millimeter above from here. So I am going to mark 25 from here and put a dot. Okay, and at this 25th point I am going to mark the center line. Okay, and using the same compass with 10 millimeter I am going to make a circle. Okay, I am going to make a circle here. Good. And I will repeat the same process. This dashed lines I am going to repeat in here. There is going to be a dashed line here and here. Voila, it's over. Front view is over, top view is over. Now I am going to show the right side view. In order to show the right side view, I need to project this. In order to project this, I need to mark a line at 45 degree. So, take a 45 degree set square, okay, and in here you are going to mark a line for 45 degree, okay. And now you are going to project all these lines just like this. This line you are going to project, this line you are going to project, this line you are going to project, and this line you project till here, this line you project till here, this line you project till here, okay. After that, what you are going to do, from here you have to project this to bottom, from this point to the bottom point, from this point to the bottom point, from this point to the bottom point. You got all these lines, right? So, when you look from the right, you are going to see this. When you look from the right, you are going to see this, okay. This is what you are going to see when you look from the right. So, we are going to highlight these points, okay, highlight this so that we won't get confused. So, this is what you are going to see, this line, this line, this line, this line, this line, and this line. Got it? Still our projection has not done yet. We need to project this center line. This is the center line. It goes here, 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 here. Okay. We need to project this center line. This goes up to here. Okay. And from this point, it goes up to here. These 2 points. Do you understand? I hope you understand. Then this point you need to project, and it goes like this, dash, dash, dash. And this edge you need to project, and it goes like dash, dash, dash up to here. If you look at here, this line it go project up to here, this line go project up to here, and you can see from here it go straight away down, dash, 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 and from this point it goes down and dash, 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 dash. Voila, our drawing is over. We just need to highlight those drawings, that's all. Whichever is the part of drawing, we need to highlight it. We need to just highlight this, highlight this, highlight this, highlight this, okay. Then we will highlight this, 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 then we will highlight this. Halas. We have a right side view, we have a top view, and we have a front view.